Joel with Small HD, and we're here at NAB 2018, the Small HD booth outdoors. Last year we released the Focus monitor, the 5-inch daylight viewable touchscreen that you can power your DSLR and mirrorless camera with. This year we drastically expanded the Focus lineup with some new offerings. We have a 1080p OLED version of the Focus. Similar feature set, can power these small mirrorless cameras, DSLRs. We've also added an SDI version of our daylight viewable LCD screen. Another exciting thing is the Focus Bolt RX and TX. They're two separate monitors. One has a built-in Teradek transmitter and one has a Teradek receiver. So it's the first monitor-to-monitor wireless ecosystem. We're really excited about that. Working with Teradek, it offers the 800 nit daylight viewable display. And so a use case, a scenario for that system would be a gimbal operator who needs a monitor anyways, has a bright display mounted on his gimbal, and he's transmitting that signal to a focus puller, director, client that can see that image, and he's looking at another daylight viewable 5-inch display. So we're really excited about that. Another thing that's new to NAB 2018 is our 703 Bolt. It's a 7-inch 3000 nit monitor with a built-in Teradek receiver. So again, we're really excited about that. It's the brightest monitor in the world and also happens to have a built-in wireless receiver. So really excited about our new monitor lineup. If you haven't seen them, stop by at our outdoor booth, see them in full sunlight here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So Small HD offers kind of a wide gamut of product offerings. Here at NAB, we also have our 7-inch and 5-inch Ultra Brights. The 503 Ultra Bright is a very bright 2200 nit monitor with a robust feature set. Like I said, 2200 nits, 5-inch size, very useful for gimbal, on camera, run and gun, but super bright. The 7-inch is a 2200 nit 1080p monitor that has a bidirectional SDI, another SDI input. So definitely robust signal-wise, feature set-wise, great for on-camera work as well. We also have the 502 Bright, which is kind of an expansion of our very popular 702 Bright, but the 5-inch size. So it's a 1000 nit display. Really lightweight, runs off 1 or 2 Canon LP6 batteries, and again, perfect for gimbal work. Very lightweight, sharp, 1080p, and bright at 1000 nits.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.